Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable raw data stream testing. And what this allows you to do is that when you reconnect your rover, whether that's to a UHF base or to a network, it will automatically test and see if it's getting any corrections from a source. And if it sees those corrections, it won't ask you to do that. Press to set up that link configure menu there where you set either your radio or cell settings. It skips right to the map screen. So to enable this, what we're going to do is we're going to head to the bottom left corner of our map screen here. We're going to click on the plumb bob icon, and in the main menu here, settings, and then options. We're now going to open up the GNSS section of our options here. And if I scroll down a bit, you can see I have a whole bunch of different options. And in fact, I just filmed a video the other day on prompt raw data logging in order to have your base force you to start recording static when you set it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have this test incoming data stream checked. And when I have that checked, when I connect up to my rover, it is going to skip that step. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you set up your receiver to automatically check for a data stream so you can skip a couple steps during setup. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.